Very much, Brother Thambi, Alex, for the welcome and the introduction of our speaker today. We as Montfortin educators, as Montfortin climate activists gathered this morning are concerned about the global crisis that remains the existential threat of our times today. It is being paralleled today by the COVID-19 pandemic, which is impacting children and youth as never before. And we are precisely involved with children and youth, and that makes our concern even graver. The two crises are hitting the poorest and the most vulnerable the hardest, acting as multipliers and intensifiers of poverty and inequalities. This includes ever starker gender inequality. We have tried to bring together speakers over the next 3 days, that is today, tomorrow, and the day after, who will put the focus on climate change and explore the connections that have caused the crisis, as well as the interplay with the COVID pandemic. Even more importantly, the speakers will explore how to respond to this crisis through their own life examples of involvement, their own examples of innovation, initiative, and scaling. At the end of the 3 days, we will have learned a great deal through examples of involvement of our speakers. But we should not remain learners only, but doers, because that is what matters at this time in our history. Inspired by our Montfortin charism, inspired by the call of Pope Francis to care for our common home, the earth, and inspired by our congregational initiatives of our recent past, as Brother Pradap so succinctly described to us this morning. Our speaker today, as Brother Thambi already introduced, is Sagar Dara, a friend and a well-wisher of Montfort Social Institute, but all Montfort brothers and our institutions. He not only agreed readily to be the speaker this morning, but also practically got this program together, including finding great speakers who will appear before us tomorrow and day after. So I must begin this session by Sagar Dara with thanking him for what he has been to us in organizing this conference. Climate crisis is waging around us increasingly in violent ways, compounded by systemic violence. We are seeing wildfires and hurricanes. We are seeing droughts and floods. We know that those who have contributed the least to the climate crisis are the people who suffer the most. Sagar Dara will explore the white canvas on which the climate crisis is written. He will explore its reasons, its effects, and responses, inviting us to respond to this existential crisis that the world has never faced. We have to do it individually and also collectively, drawing from our Montfortin charism and as global citizens. Those of us who are on Zoom, I request that all of you keep your mics muted, so that all of us are able to focus on the speaker of this morning. And I know there are hundreds of others who are joining us on YouTube and the Facebook. So welcome to all of you to this very important session. If you have questions, please put your questions on the chat, in the chat box. I shall be keeping track of the chat box so that the speaker at the end of his intervention will be able to answer at least some of these questions. So it is all The floor is all to you, or all for you, Mr. Sagardara. Welcome.
Thank you very much, Varghese. This is a okay. Right. I hope you can see the slides.